Hey everybody, it's Chad and what's your name?
Maxwell.
It's Chad and Maxwell. It is September 14th and we are going to tell you about the pumpkins this week. So we'll see if Max will help us out.
Maxwell, he's the man. Trucks and tractors are his jam. And his grandma, she lives right down the lane.
Maxwell, can you tell us about this pumpkin?
Ugly pumpkin.
It's an ugly pumpkin? Is it a big pumpkin?
Yes.
How big is it?
Gigantic.
It's gigantic. And how come you only have underwears on?
Because I do.
Because you do. Okay. You want to go show everybody the other pumpkins?
Yes.
Okay, so that's Molar. Molar is gigantic according to Maxwell. We would say it's probably, it's probably about, I don't know. I haven't taped anything yet. Emily's taking care of the other baby. So none of these will be taped. I wouldn't tell you anyway because we're close to way off time. So I don't know. It's probably, this one I don't care. Probably 800 or 900 pounds, somewhere around there. Ready to go look at the next one, Maxwell? Okay, let's go look at the next one. All right, here we are at Miss Juana. Max, what can you tell us about this pumpkin?
It's gigantic.
Hey, what color is it?
Orange.
So it's a big, pretty orange pumpkin? Yeah? Are you still able to tell us why you have no pants on yet? No? Okay. All right, so Miss Juana, I'm going to flip you and super zoom out. So Miss Juana is still growing. There's some cracking over here on the butt of it, so I put this fan to keep that dry. I also had a bit of a mouse situation. Shoot, you can even see it. Even still, those little black flecks, those are mouse turds. So last night I put out some mouse traps, which Max, don't step on the mouse traps. Some sticky traps and snap traps. Caught 3 mice last night. So I'm going to rebait everything and try and get them again. But Miss Juana compared to a 2-year-old. Say hi, Maxwell.
Hi, Maxwell.
No, look up here and say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Look up here. Say hi.
Hi.
So it's still growing and it's growing good. I measured it this week, or I measured it yesterday, not the official weigh-in. I just couldn't wait. And according to the measurements, it's sped up. I don't know whether I should believe that or not, but I'm pretty positive I measured correctly 2 weeks ago, and I'm taping everything. So I think I got it correct this week, but it just seems weird. But, you know, hey, don't look a gifted horse in the mouth, I think. Maxwell, you ready to go look at the next ones?
Yes.
Okay.
The wild pumpkin.
The ones back there?
That one over there, but that's the one, the blue one.
Okay, I'll pick you up. Okay, now Maxwell, what can you tell us about this pumpkin?
It's a big gigantic.
Big gigantic pumpkin? How big would you say it is?
It's 48 pounds.
48 pounds? Okay. Make sure you're not digging your nails into their sport. So, beanbag is impossible to measure. I have no real idea on how big it is, but here's a almost 3-year-old for size comparison against it. Max thinks it's, how big? 48 pounds?
48 pounds.
48 pounds, okay. Stem issue, I realize I've kind of left it. Knock on wood, it's still doing its thing. And yeah, the plant back there is a little tired. There's so much plant growth, it's man, it's overwhelming is probably the best word. You could just see the tertiaries climbing over everything. I mean, there's a tertiary that comes from who knows where. Probably that's a Miss Juana vine. So yeah, don't let your vines get out of control, kids. Right? Max, tell everybody, say, don't let your vines get out of control.
Don't let your vines out of control.
That's right. Now you want to go look at Bertha?
That one.
Okay, let's go look at that one. And last but not least, we have Big Bertha. Maxwell, what can you tell us about this pumpkin?
This really gigantic one, and it's 40 pounds.
How many pounds is it?
Like a 40 pounds.
40 pounds? So you're saying the other one was bigger, or is this one bigger?
This one bigger.
This one's bigger.
Like it's right up here.
You want me to put you up there?
Maybe I'll just fall up there.
You're not gonna fall up there. Come here, grab on. Oh yeah.
I'm not gonna fall down here.
No, you're not gonna fall down. I won't let you fall. So say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So Big Bertha is pretty big. She is still growing. There's your basically 3-year-old for size comparison. And yeah, what tips do you have for anybody, Max? How can they grow a giant pumpkin?
Like big.
Can you tell everybody to subscribe
And subscribe.
and like the video
Like the video.
and share with a friend?
And share with a friend.
So you heard it from Max. Do all those things: like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have questions. We're happy to answer them. First way off is not this coming Saturday, but next Saturday, and it's a way off season, so that's excited. The plant back here still looks great. The plant on the front half looks a little sleepy. And here it is. The weather's been pretty good. We're actually going to get a cool down this coming week. So we'll see how it goes. Everything is staying covered. But yeah, man, that pumpkin over there, that is a trip. That is going to be a pain in the butt to measure and weigh and all that.
Maxwell, he's the
Anyway,
name.
that's all we got
Trucks
for you.
and tractors
Say goodbye
are
one more
his
time, Maxwell. Say
jam.
bye.
And his grandma, she lives right down